This game's pretty like similar to Kingdom Hearts.
What?
Huh.
Yeah, I agree.
Michael takes off his pants and begs Grant to enter himself.
Never. Nope. I mean, I wouldn't mind if Grant fucked himself because you said enter himself.
I would fuck myself if given the chance.
That's gay. That'd be 2 penises.
But it's masturbation because it's me.
I mean, you're gay every time you masturbate, dude. You're touching a dick.
It's not gay if I suck a dick, though, right? Like, if I suck a dick, that's fine.
As long as you
No,
didn't
it's
know
fine.
homo, it's not gay.
But you didn't, Grant. You just
I
said
did.
you'd fuck you, and then you say, I masturbate. That's gay.
Yeah.
You touched dick.
Grant, I caught you masturbating one time.
When?
It was in your dorm room.
I don't live in a dorm. Not me.
You're in your dorm right now.
I don't have a dorm.
You're in your dorm right now.
I'm not in a dorm.
Your dorm. Michael, start to find a match.
Yeah, find a match.
My what?
You're idling.
My what?
There you go. You were idling in game.
Shut your mouth.
Yo, get fucked, Michael.
Your mom.
That's pretty fucked.
Cheese and crackers, Batman.
Alright, this is my last game, and then I got class.
What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? What, you don't want to hang out with us?
Drop out.
No, and no.
You hate us, Michael? Why did you just say so?
Yes.
You need money?
Yes.
You need money?
Okay, Grant.
Yeah, let's go. I drive.
Rocket hog.
I drive.
Woo!
Alright. Grant, we're losing now because you betrayed that guy.
Oh, fuck. Wait, what the fuck is that?
Nice.
I died.
This is an ambush.
I got
Came to the
spawn
wrong
killed.
part of town, Joel.
They have such better vehicles than we do.
A Trojan horse.
We
dude.
started with the exact same vehicles.
You shut your mouth.
I actually didn't mean to run that guy over at the beginning. I feel bad. And I should feel bad. Run to me, officer. What do you want me to do?
No, he didn't.
What is that done?
You're a dipshit.
You probably got spartan-lated, I'm guessing.
God,
How'd you die?
suck.
Like, what was it?
Oh shit, missile.
That's a rocket.
Fuck. Oh my god, kill someone.
Oh God, why am I alive?
Kills, isn't
Thank
it?
you so
It's to 150.
You avenged.
Fuck you, campers! I'm gonna fucking. Oh my God.
Oh, not good for my colon or my health.
We have shit people.
Yeah.
We are the shit people.
Yeah,
You know,
I have not gotten a
thanks.
single kill.
I turned the
They're
corner.
like,
All
it's like
of
a fucking hive.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
We are the shit people.
You know,
I have not gotten a
thanks.
single kill.
the NBA is taking the lead. How? No, no big house enemy yet.
Hello. This is a sweet
All right.
taste of Dr. Pepper.
I'm inviting you guys because that game is filled with sweaties.